Jain student, today we are going to discuss the some important case study in the chapter business environment. The question number third, Mahindra Agro Limited started a new venture for distribution of harmful and chemical fertilizer free vegetables. They conduct a survey to find out the consumer preference for such vegetable. They found that most of the consumer were concerned about the harmful chemical being used in growing the vegetable. They found that 90% of the household were searching for its alternatives. The company contacted a group of agriculture experts to lay down the procedure for growing the vegetable by the farmer. They decide to train the farmer in the new technology to grow chemical free vegetable according to new technology innovative method. The expert also suggests soil management technique through which the farmer would able to create the eminent and lasting harvest. So identify and explain the two dimension of business environment highlighted in the above para. The two dimension of business highlighted in the para is that social environment included the social force like the belief, custom, traditions, values, social trends, society expectations from business, etc. For example, a business environment of a firm which operated in a compromised city will be different from the firm which operate in the rural area. The demography factor also have the great influence on the social environment of a business like a growth rate, composition of population, life expectancy of people. The second, technological environment. Technological environment include the force relating to the scientific improvement and innovative innovation which provide new way of the producing the goods and service and new method and technique of operating a business. Next case study, Konark Limited is an electronic good manufacturer enterprise situated in Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh. It is earning a very low revenue in comparison to the competitive electronic goods manufacturer enterprise Nova Limited situated in Mumbai. Both Konark and Nova operation are affected directly by the investor, customer and competitor and supplier which are unique to their respective location. In addition to this, individual firms of this field are affected indirectly by the factor like money supply in the economic compositions of the family and the technological chain, etc. The first question, identify and state the feature of the concept discussed in the above paragraph. Second, also state any 4 point of the importance of this concept. The concept of business environment discussed here is related specific and general force. It is and business environment consists of both specific force such as investor, customer, competitor, supplier, which are affected individually, enterprises directly and immediately in their day-to-day working, and general force such as social, political, legal, and technological conditions, which have the impact on all the business enterprises. Thus, they may affect the individuals from only indirectly. The 4 point which highlighted importance of business environment. First, it enabled the firm to identify the opportunity of getting the first mover advantage. The dynamic business environment provide numerous opportunity for business to involve per changing needs. Therefore, early identification of the forthcoming opportunity help the enterprise to be the first exploitation. Second, it help the firm to identify threat early warning signals. Sometimes the change in the external environment may poses the threat and hinder firm performance, and awareness about the business environment help the manager to identify such threat on a time. See, it help in tapping useful resources as enterprises design policy that allow it to get a resources that it needed so that it can convert those resources into the output that environment desire. Thank you.